Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friends, although we have discussed something in lecture 1, but I am repeating the things for you again. Friends, what we have to do, we have to solve these problems, first 6 problem, and this of exercise 2.1 from Thomas Finney book. So average rate of change in exercise 1.6, the average rate of change of function over the given interval or impulse is to be determined. So what we have to do, actually we have to find rate of change of function, like if this is the function f of x. So exercise 2.1, question number 1. So f of x is given, and that is x cube plus 1. What is interval given is part A, interval is 2, 3. So what we have to find, we have to find delta f or delta x. What does it mean? Delta f means change in the function, and delta x means change in the x value. These are the x value. Delta f mean f at x2 minus f at x1 over x2 minus x1. So what does it mean? It can be written as delta f is equal to f of x2 minus f of x1, and delta x is equal to x2 minus x1. Here this is x1, this is x2. I can show you with some other color. This is x1, this is x2. So delta x will be 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Fine. And what is delta f? For that we have to find f of x2 minus f of x1. So first of all we have to find f of x2. F of x2 will be, f of x is x cube plus 1. Fine. F of x is equal to x cube plus 1. So f of x2 is 3. So it will be 3 cube plus 1 x cube. So 3 cube, this is 3 cube plus 1, and 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube mean we have to write this 3 times, and then we have to multiply these 3 into 3 into 3. So this is 27. So 27 plus 1, it is 28. Very easy. And what is f of x1? F of x1 is equal to, x1 was 2 cube plus 1. Again 2 cube mean we have to write base 3 times and then multiply, and here base is 2. So 2 raised power 3 is equal to 8. So it is 8 plus 1. Answer is 9. So you can put these value in this equation. So I am writing again this equation, that is delta f or delta x, and it is f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1, and f of x2 is 28. 28 minus 9 divided by x2 is 3, and this is 1. So this is 3 minus 2. X1 is 2. So it will be obviously 19, or 1 means 19. So delta f over delta x is equal to 19. So this is the answer of part A. Then we have to solve part B. Part B is when interval is -1 to 1. -1, 1. Here this is x1, this is x2. So delta x will be equal to x2 minus x1. x2 is 1 minus -1, so 1 plus 1, obviously it is 2. Delta x is 2. Fine, we have found out. Then we have to find f of x2. f of x was again, it was x cube plus 1. So f of x2 is 1. So 1 cube plus 1, it will be equal to 1 plus 1 mean 2. f of x2 equal to 2. And f of x1, it will be obviously -1 cube plus 1, and -1 cube means -1, so it is 0. So put these value in the equation, and equation is delta f or delta x. Delta f is f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. f of x2 was 2. So it will be 2 minus 0, because f of x1 is equal to 0. x2 minus x1 is, we have already find out, and this is delta x is 2, divide by 2. Two over 2, so it is equal to 1. So these questions are very easy. Some students were saying that it is very difficult, so I have repeated this. So have a practice of all these problems. I think this will be easy for you. Thank you, class.